Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to add filters in Shopify collection page. So here we are in Shopify Help Center and you want to add filters, you can do so. So you can add the Shopify search and discovery app or adding the filters to create filters for your online store. So you can press this right here. So all you have to do is go to your Shopify Help Center if you are actually lost. Just search right here adding filters, it will redirect you to this. So here you will have requirements on what you need for your own shop and the considerations for adding filters such as this. There's going to be filter types, of course, like standard, custom, product, and many much more. This will depend on your store. If you're selling digital or products like jeans or t-shirts, it will all matter. There's also going to be some meta field filters, edit filters, and rename filters. So there's a lot of type of filters. It's just not a general filter for all because it's going to be specific for your own store and not everyone has the same store. So I want you to just go to your Shopify Help Center and search adding filters. So you can also go and search up in the Shopify App Store the Shopify Search and Discovery. This will install as a plugin basically for your shop. It's going to be more easier than rather doing all of this at once. This will help you Shopify and search and discovery and it will add filters as a built-in plugin in your shop. So all you have to do is press install right here. It's a great experience to start with a simple search and seamless discovery plugin for your own Shopify. And it's just that simple. So it's going to work like this. So you have your search discovery in the top left corner. You're going to be able to search and discover items using filters, but it's called search and discovery. You're going to be able to create a synonym group and create new boost with this plugin. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.